Do you want to connect your microphone with a 3.5 millimeter audio jack to your iPhone 15, 16, or 17? Well, this is how you do it. You first need to get this adapter right here, and this is a Ugreen. These are on Amazon, and they're quite affordable compared to some of the other name brands or brand names. And it's quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and connect this. You want to make sure you get the USB-C one. I'll put a link. But then all you have to do is go ahead and plug this in. Then we're going to go ahead and plug in the audio jack part. And voila, now this microphone should be working. So let me just do a quick demonstration. I have to put in my password. Okay, so now I'm going to just demonstrate. I'm demonstrating this microphone. Okay, let's go ahead and listen. We have to unplug it to listen. That's a little bit annoying, but okay. So is it playing? No. This is now a troubleshooting video. So the reason why it didn't work right now is because I didn't push this. It says, are you connecting a pair of headphones? Make sure you put other device, because if you don't, then it's only going to allow output and not input. So you cannot record sound. So once you push other device, now it will allow. So I'm going to just go ahead and demonstrate again real fast before we go. So, okay. So it's plugged in. Everything's plugged in. Testing. Everything's plugged in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and play it now. We're going to have to unplug it, and it should be playing. Let's go. Everything's plugged in. Testing. Everything's plugged in. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. So anyways, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.